This is the YH35R original Lishi tool key reader. Today we're going to use it to originate a key for a 2007 Yamaha Stratoliner motorcycle. This particular tool has 4 different depths and 7 different cuts. So the first thing that we're going to do is prepare the lock. We do that by first spraying a little contact cleaner into the lock. Then we take a key blank and work it in and out a few times to exercise the wafers and get everything loosened up. Then we use a little heavy-duty silicone, which is my favorite because here in Arizona, lots of blowing dirt, and the silicone doesn't attract that dirt. Again, work the key blank in and out a few times, get everything all loosened up. Now we're going to take the key reader and we're going to bring the lifter all the way back so that that delicate tip is tucked inside the tool tip to protect it from bending if it encounters a wafer during the insertion of the tool. We gently work it in and out until it bottoms out in the lock. Now all we have to do is read the depths. So we start at the top with a 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1. So once again, that's 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 3, 1. Notice how I steady the tool with my finger so that we get a nice accurate reading. To remove the tool, we pull the lifter arm all the way back, bring it up so that it tucks in that delicate tip, and then gently work the tool out of the lock. There it is, the YH35R key reader. Thanks for watching.